It's red. Ready?
Yes.
That's recording. Fighting stance. Kako. Fighting stance move. Kako. Fighting stance move. It's the beginner's crew. Universal Martial Science Fitness Qiforce. Now we got somebody who joined us here. Oh, it's Muhammad Saad, who's late and doesn't have a uniform on. Fighting stance. Find your position, Muhammad Saad. So the big guns are not here today, except for Ibrahim and Ahmed. Ibrahim, round kick. Go. Stop. Turn. Kako. Go skate. Ahmed, go. Stop. Turn. Who told you to turn? Turn. Only time you turn is when I say turn. Fighting stance. Now turn. Kako. Go skate. Are you ready? Hamad. Round kick. 1. Go. Stronger. Bring those kicks up. Stop. Turn. Kako. Go skate. Ahmed. Ibrahim. Stay on point. At these positions. Stay still. Control. 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 Self. Muhammad Saad, let's go. One more. Turn. Kako. Stop looking at me. Go skate. Do it correctly and stop doing that jungle fever stuff you're doing over there. Get serious. Are you ready? Abdullah. Go. Round kick, not side kick. Round kick. Point your toes. I didn't tell you to stop yet, sir. Turn. Kako. Kyosuke. That's not how we do Kyosuke. That's not how we do it either. Ballet. You doing ballet or something? Stay on line. Kako. Kyosuke. Put your hands straight up. Bring your feet together. All right, get it right. Step on the line, quickly. Stop looking around, Muhammad Saad. You're already out of uniform. Stay straight ahead. Fighting stance, Abdul Rahman. Go. Wrong kick. Stop talking in line. Bring those heads up. Look up. Don't look down. Keep your eyes on the horizon. Stop. Turn. Kako. Kyosuke. Feet together. Feet together. Abdul high. Go. Round kick. Up. Look up. Look up. Look up. Look up. Do not look down. Keep going. Good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Up. Bring those knees up. Bring your knees up. Bend your knees. Good. One more. Turn. Not like that. We don't spin around like we turn in the direction of our back leg. Somebody is in the formation talking. 5 push-ups right now. Everybody. Down. On your knuckles. Quick. Get down, Abdul Haya. I'm putting this on YouTube so you can see how you be acting. That's right. Kako. Let me let you see exactly what you be doing, and then you'll understand what I'm telling you. Look at your line. Your line looks terrible. Line up on Ibrahim. Ibrahim at his possession. You are the leader, so be strong. Just because the seniors are not here, that doesn't mean that you could be slacking off. Ready. Mahmoud, go. Get those kicks up. Keep your hands up. Come on, kick. Are you going to kick like that in the street if somebody's attacking you? Is that what you're really going to do? Or are you just doing it for show? Are you a paper tiger? Are you real? Go. 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 Stop. Turn. Since you're a new guy, we're going to give you a break. Kako. Very good. Bring your feet forward. Kyosuke, push your leg, push your hands up. Hands up. Good. Very good. Excellent. Give him a big hand because he just started today. Very good. All right. Jaffa, let's go. Fighting stance. Go. Go. Yes. Yes. Good. Good. Round kick, not front kick. Round kick. Round kick. Round kick, not front kick. Pay attention. Kick, turn your foot. Go. Keep going. Come on, Power Ranger. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go. One more. Stop. Turn. Ibrahim, be quiet. Kako. What did you say? Kyosuke. Put your feet together. You guys have to learn your positioning. Start learning how to do this.